Good morning, my name is Kurt Olson. I am Vice President of Business Development at VPI Technology in Salt Lake City, Utah. We are an electronics engineering design firm. We work with customers in a wide variety of industries, including some major players in the audio-visual industry. We have electrical, mechanical, and firmware engineers, as well as cloud capabilities. Customers come to us with their product requirements, and we can do the design all the way through prototyping and testing, and can even help with manufacturing as well. We've been in business for 30 years, and we're very good at what we do. Done a lot of audio-visual products, and we're here at InfoComm 2025, excited to meet with people and talk about their engineering projects and how we can help. Often, by the way, we don't do the entire design, but we just augment existing engineering teams, since most companies do have engineers on staff, but they may need a particular specialty that we have, such as handheld devices, battery-powered devices, and we're really good at rAVe. So if you have any of those kinds of needs, please stop by and talk with us. Our website is vpitechnology.com. Thank you.